A well-designed false ceiling can transform a plain room into a sophisticated functional space. So friends, in this video I'm going to share a beautiful false ceiling designs and what are the current price for making the false ceiling and which are the best brands are available in the market and what are the points to remember before installing these false ceiling designs. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So friends, there you can see that the beautiful designs are available. A beautiful designs like which add the depth, dimension and the elegance, complementing the modern or traditional decor. So they create a luxurious, polished look that elevate the overall look. Interior themes such as minimalist or intricate the Indian motifs. So friends, it is some has beautiful advantages like conceals the imperfections, so it hides the unslightly wirings, pipe ducts and ceiling floors, which result in a clean, seamless finish without the major structural changes. So friends, it also improves serve as a canvas for research, LED lighting to reduce the glare and create the ambience atmosphere. This makes the rooms feel more inviting and versatile for different activities. Also, it offers endless options from simple POP to for budgets to PVC false ceiling. So you can select as per your requirements. So friends, there are lots of types of false ceilings are available. So friends, now I'm going to discuss about the latest price. So for making the false ceiling, there are different types are available for, but I'm going to share two types false ceiling rate. Like one of the most popular type is gypsum false ceiling. So the current price is which starts from 80 to 100 rupees per square feet. So friends, the price totally depends upon the locations and the brands which we select. And another one is the POP false ceiling. The price starts from 70 to 90 rupees per square feet. So you can calculate. So suppose your for a gypsum false ceiling, suppose your ceiling size is 10 by 15, it will cost you almost 13 to 14,000 rupees. And for POP false ceiling, it will cost 12,000 rupees for 10 by 15 area. So friends, there are the good qualities of brands are available which provide you the durability and innovations. Like top brands are available like Saint Gobain Ziprock. This is the most popular for false ceiling, and another one is the USG Boral, which is a premium innovations. Another one is Armstrong, and fourth one is the Shera. Fifth one is the Buildwell. So find for my recommendation is Ziprock for reliability. So this is the most popular and oldest brands are available. And if you want another brands like Shera, Armstrong, these are also the good quality of brands. So friends, while installing, you should remember some important points like always assess the room height and always fix your budget. So because factors in materials, quality and lighting fixtures. Choose a suitable material to match the room theme for the interior designs and always plan the lighting and fixtures. Check always check the structural report, verify slab load capacity for heavy items like chandeliers and use experienced contractors, so hire a qualified professional for installing the false ceiling designs and always cross verify the price for installation per square feet rate. And another is waterproofing ventilation. So and always one of the most important point to remember is the design and the layout. So always first you check the designs. So in this video you see there are lots of designs are available. So friends, these are the points to remember. But with a beautiful false ceiling, you require a beautiful fan to enhance the false ceiling design. So in this video, I'm going to share some beautiful for BLDC fans which give you the premium look for your ceiling. So there are the good brands are available like Attenborough, and another one is Havels. So friends, there are the most some more brands are available. You can select as per your requirement and choice. So friends, if you have any questions regarding to the false ceiling, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. Thank you once again, and we'll see in the next video.